Hello again, language adventurers. Last time, we made English fun with stories, pictures, and movement. Today, we're unlocking a superpower, thinking directly in English. No more mental translating. If you're tired of pausing mid-sentence to convert words from your native language. Feeling stuck because you know a word but can't recall it fast enough. Sounding robotic instead of natural. This episode is your game changer. Let's rewire your brain. Why translating slows you down your brain is like a busy airport. When you translate thought, home language. Translation desk, English delays. Goal, take the fast lane. Thought to English. Step 1, label your world. Action, start naming objects around you in English only. See a window? Think window, not its equivalent in your language. Hear a dog bark? Think that dog is loud. Pro tip, stick colorful notes on items, e.g., fridge, pillow. Train your brain to skip translating. Step 2, think in chunks. Stop memorizing single words. Instead, learn phrases your brain can grab instantly. I need coffee, not I require coffee. Is this seat taken? Practice. 1. Pick 3 common phrases you use daily, e.g., what's for dinner? 2nd, say, write them 10 times today. No translating allowed. Step 3, the 1-minute mind game. Challenge, spend 60 seconds describing your surroundings in English thoughts only. Example, my desk is messy. My cat is sleeping. I hear rain. I feel hungry. Too hard? Start with 15 seconds. Build up like a muscle. Step 4, ditch the perfectionism. Your inner critic says, that's not the right word. Reply, close enough. I'll improve later. Wrong. I feel happy? No. Joyful? Wait. Right. I feel good. Keep the conversation flowing. Step 5, dream in English tonight's mission. Imagine a silly scenario in English before bed. Example, I'm a chef on Mars. My spaghetti floats. Aliens love it. Why it works. Sleep strengthens memory. Your brain will file this as English equals normal. Real life success story. Maria used to translate every word. She started thinking in chunks while cooking, e.g., add salt, stir slowly. After 2 weeks, her speaking became 50% faster. Your homework, 1 label, 5 objects in your home. Think toothbrush, not translation. Use 3 phrase chunks today, e.g., turn off the light. Play the 1-minute mind game, even if it's basic. Next episode, speak like a native, small words that make a big difference. Discussion. What's the hardest part about thinking in English? Tell me below. Remember, your brain is capable of amazing things. Start small, stay consistent, and soon you'll dream in English.